on the fact how the COVID-19 outbreak has affected businesses worldwide, particularly in the business space where it required the look and feel or the fit. Because of excessive guidelines and do's and don'ts, many of the retail and apparel stores are not allowing their customers to try and then buy the products. And obviously, customers are not highly elated about this. Furniture giants like IKEA, Paperfry, and various online stores suffered a lot because of diminishing number of footfalls across their studios or stores. Eyewear brands also face similar issues, and now, since various countries are entering re-lockdown, the condition is nothing but worsened. Added to this, European and American countries started to observe heavy snowfall. This has furthermore decreased overall business worldwide. What is the solution then in such situation? Enters AR or augmented reality. Augmented reality is a process where digital assets are superimposed or augmented on real world. Augmented reality has graduated from being an entertainment only want for companies to a real need of the hour. I remember back in the days when I was working with one of the large advertisement companies in India and suggested augmented reality magic mirror for one of the famous apparel houses. My idea was initially mocked at as unnecessary spend on technology, which is a borderline to entertainment. That time it was perceived as a wish list or more of a want, not a need. Hence, they had very few takers. 2 years down the line, we did see it take shape, first in online space, and then the same apparel brand installed a physical magic mirror in one of their prestigious stores. Since then, augmented reality has seen ups and downs, up-teamed times. But after 2020, I'm sure augmented reality is going to stay here and scale new heights. Not as a mere want, but as a definite need. In this video, we will see how augmented reality is helping out various companies in these troubled times. But before we deep dive, kindly like, share and comment on this video if you really found it important. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of our upcoming updates. So without much ado, let's get started. that's all for today. If you like this video, kindly like, share and comment on this video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notification of our upcoming updates. See you in a new video very soon. Till then, goodbye and God bless.